So hi, in this video, I'm going to discuss a problem from Code Forces Educational Round 167. So this is the B problem from the contest, that is substring and subsequence. So let's see the problem here. A and B, okay, both consisting of lowercase Latin letters. Okay, now what is a subsequence and what is a string? Let's see the difference. First of all, what is a subsequence? A subsequence of a string is a string which can be obtained by removing several characters, right? And a substring is a contiguous subsequence of that string. Let's see by some examples. Let's say the example is A, B, A, C. Now, what is a substring into it? The AB, it is a substring because A and B are contiguous element into it. Okay? Similarly, ABA is a substring, BAC is a substring. Basically, choosing contiguous characters, so it will gonna give a basically called as a substring. Okay? Now, what is subsequence? Suppose I am going to pick this first. Okay? So I am having A, then I have picked this A. Let's say, okay? I haven't picked this. Okay? But the order is same. Means I have picked this A first, then I am picking this A first. Means it is called as a subsequence of ABAC. AA will be called as a subsequence of ABAC. Okay? Let's take another example. Let's say if I do pick B from here and C from here, okay? So BC is a subsequence of ABAC, as simple as that. And if you see BAC, it is a subsequence and substring both of ABC, ABAC. Okay? But if I do remove A from here, then it will be only a subsequence, not a substring. That is, in short, the substring is what contiguous. If I'm selecting the contiguous characters, then it will be a substring. If I'm selecting like any random that, but in a order, okay? Let's suppose I can pick A only before, okay? I cannot pick something like see, I cannot pick if I'm gonna pick like B first, then I'm picking AAC and thinking that it is a subsequence. No, it is not. I can pick only in order. Suppose I have picked B, now I can pick this A only and from this C only, and it depends on me which character I'm going to pick. Okay. So I think the difference between a substring and subsequence must be clear. Let's see the further. So we need our task is to calculate minimum possible length of a string that contains a as a substring and B as a subsequence. Okay. So what we need to find a minimum length of a string that contain A as a substring means A should be present in it like a substring and B can be as a subsequence. So to make it more clear, let's see some examples. If you see an example, let's say A and CB. Okay. AB first remove it. Let me first sort it. A and CB. So this is my now I want what I want to represent A as a substring and B as a subsequence. Okay. So first of all, the possible string can be like A, B, A. Okay. Now simply add CB anywhere in this substring. Either add CB here or add CB at last. Now this is as a substring, we have as a substring, and it will like a subsequence, so it will done. So in that case, how many characters I required? I required a total of 5 characters. Can I minimize it? Yes. Let's see how. AB is done. It is a substring, so it is done. Now, how can I minimize the number of characters? You can see B is present in this. B is present in B, like ठीक है, and B is also present in this string. ठीक है, both are common. Means if somehow I can place only C here, let me remove it. If I do place C here, ठीक है, now AB is a substring and CB is a subsequence. So as you can see, I have done both the condition, and in that case, the length is required is what 4. So this is what asked in the question, that we want A as a substring and B as a subsequence. So we need to find the minimum possible length of that string. So this is how we can find the minimum. Okay? Let's see one more example, something like contest and test. Okay? If you see this example, contest and test, you can observe that test is present into it. If you see here, let me write it first. Contest. Okay? You see here that contest is present whole as a substring. Okay? It will always be present. Now, test is a subsequence present in it. Means in that case, I just need 7 characters. That is the length of the contest only, because the condition satisfied, substring is present into it, and subsequence is also present. So in that case, I need only 7 characters. Now let's see the last test, and we'll discuss the approach of the problem. The last is a CDE and A B C E F G. ठीक है. If you see carefully, first of all, the length of substring will be this. ठीक है. Now I need to add this subsequence into this uh, string basically. ठीक है. How can I do that? First of all, you can see A is not present in this string. ठीक है. A is not present in this, so I can simply write A here. There is no other way. I need to write E. I will check B. Is B present into it? No, B is not present. So I have no option. I need to write B here. I'll check. Is C is present into it? Yes, C is present. I will check. Is E present into it? Yes, E is present. I will check. Is F is present into it? No, F is not present. So I need to write it here. I'll check. Is G is present into it? No, G is not. So I need to write it here. So how many characters? How many length I required is ABC is 3 plus 4 means I require a total of 7 length. So I think it will be clear that what is asked in the problem and how we are going to solve this here. Now what is the approach? How we are like exactly going to code this? So if you see, as I have like discussed the case, you can see what you can do. What simply apply the brute force. You will start checking from here, from left till end. What you will see, you will check is A present in the string or not. Since A is not present, means the maximum common subsequence. Acha, first of all, before discussing C, you can see here the maximum common. What is happening with this? If you see in the is this case, if you see a C is a common between both of them, right? Means CE substring of it is present as a subsequence in it, means C is common between both of them. So what I can do is simply length of it plus length of string B, that is 6 in this case, ठीक है, minus the common characters. How many common characters are there? There are a total of 2 characters common. So 3 6 plus 3 is 9 and minus 2 comes out to be 7. So in that case my answer is 7. This is how I'm going to calculate my answer, right? Simply subtract the common characters from the total characters of m first string and second string. ठीक है. Now how I'm going to find the common characters? Simply you can find something like this. Remove this. ठीक है. You will check is A present into it? No. Means common character starting from A is not present. मतलब common subsequence starting from A is not present in this string. Okay. So what is the length of common subsequence that starts from A is 0. ठीक है. Now I'll check the common subsequence that start from B and present into it. There is no B character present, so it will also 0. Then I'll check for C. Is C present into it? Yes. So I will check the max length of a subsequence that is present into it. That is C and E only. So the max length is 2. Okay. Then I'll check for E. Is E present into it? Yes, E is present. The max length of subsequence that is present in CDE is, now it is 1, because I can like start from E only, not from I cannot go back. I can start from E only because in the subsequence order matters, so I cannot choose from any order, right? So in that case, I'm going to E. Is F present? No, so 0. Is D present? No, 0. So from here, you can observe that max length of a common subsequence is 2. So what I can do is simply find the max length of a common subsequence and add both. यानी कि add the length of A, add the length of B minus number of common character. In that case, that is 2. This will be always be my answer. As simple as that. I think the approach will be clear. To make it more clear, let's see the code for it quickly. So here's the code for it. If you see, I have simply take the input. Now I've declared a variable as answer. I'm simply iterating from 0 to b dot length. And I'm iterating through the b string, that is I want to as a subsequence present into the main string. ठीक है? Okay, I'm iterating. I have take a variable start as an index and I'm initializing this as I. Why? Because as I have discussed that like if I will check one by one, okay, if A is present, if it is present, then what is the max length of subsequence present into first string? Then I'm going to the index this and I will see is B present into this string or not. If it is present, then what is the max length? Similarly, I'm going to like do this and I'm doing this till I reach the last character. ठीक है? Simply iterate through the A and check. If I found the character same, simply increase the value of start and increase the value of count, means it will the common character between both the strings, and at the end simply return the max of all. And here max of all is 2 in this case. And at last what will be my answer? My answer will be what I want to print. I want to print simply a dot length of A basically. Suppose A dot size, ठीक है, plus length of B minus my answer